as promised, I'm back. So while the kids are outside having fun with their trick-or-treat candy, I figured the adults need to be inside with their own candy. Let's make a cotton candy cosmopolitan. Big Lots, dollar store. Get yourself a bag of cotton candy. Tear into that bad boy. Take out a hunk. Stuff it down in the glass. I have a martini glass. I'm sorry, I have a margarita glass because it has a little dip down here and you could just pack in the cotton candy. So I'm gonna stuff a little more in there. I've never made this before. I found this recipe on the internet and I thought this looks good for Halloween. So I'm gonna set this aside. And then we're going to add our good stuff, the adult candy. So we have a little, probably about 1.5 ounces of vodka, your favorite vodka, anyone will do. That's the end of that bottle. Woohoo! Okay, fun times. And we have lime juice, my favorite. You know, I love the lime. Dump the lime in the shaker. Cranberry juice, about 1.5 ounces or 2. No, that's about 2 ounces. And then just a little bit of Grand Marnier or Cointreau, whichever one you have, and just drizzle it in there, just about 1/2 ounce. Then we're going to shake it up like you would a martini. Again, this is a cotton candy cosmopolitan. You must be 21 years old or older to partake. This is our adult candy for Halloween. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna just take this mixture and dump it right on top of the cotton candy, and it melts down real pretty. Oh, this is lovely. It's got like a rainbow effect going on. Make sure you get it all out. Now this is what I call an adult Halloween. So what, you know, I like to garnish. So I'm gonna take a big old straw and I'm gonna cut it. And I'm gonna stick, let me see, where's my leftover cotton candy? I'll make a little cotton candy straw here. I'm gonna stick this, how's that working? That's not working too good. Huh, it won't stay. Oh, I was gonna stick my cotton candy, make a little cotton candy ring around it, but it's not working. So guess what? I'm just gonna stick this straw in here like that. And I want you to see how pretty it is along the bottom. Look at that rainbow. Isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, happy Halloween, trick or treat. So we get the candy, so do the kids. Cheers, 21 and up. You must be 21 and up in order to partake of this drink. If you like this video, click like and share, and I'll see you next time.